Pwede kasi. Now, this is a very simple example. If we don't take good care of our environment, this tiny little insect possibly gone. So it is important to take good care of our nature, of our forest, by recycling, reusing, applying the 8 R's, possibly, that help take good care of our environment. Now, what I'm doing is to help our environment, even in a little way. I try as much as I could to reuse the waste materials such as this by doing a paper recycling, or it's either plastic or anything that I could do that could be useful in our home. At least in a little way we could help, rather than putting it directly into waste. Well, I'm just sharing you guys how this tiny little insect live while our nature is still abundant and we have a lot of trees as of the moment. So that's the message that I want to bring here, is to take good care of our environment, just to help these tiny creatures here to live normally as the human does, living a clean and healthy environment. Well, look at how these beautiful creatures here. Now it's gone, I think. Now it's here inside the basket. Well, that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy a little of this short film here while seeing these tiny creatures. Thank you, guys. I love you. Bye for now.